Right. Other day I was talking about collection mapping, but now what is left? Association mapping is left. Okay, when you keep tables in relationship, the relevant entity class also should be kept in what? Relationship. So for that one, we need to design entity classes with special properties or not there. Tables can be in relationship nicely with the foreign key column. But such foreign key concept is there in entity classes in Java, boss? No. So we need to design entity classes with special properties or not there. Though the way classes are in relationship is different from what? The way tables are in relationship. Come on. But still we need to map classes with what? Tables are not there. We need to map the classes with the DB tables are not there, guys. That is going to be our next target or not there, guys. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Yes, guys. This is my Eclipse ID, guys. What is that? 718. Let it be, guys. Let me open the document. Class content, Spring here. Tell me, what's the next thing to discuss? Seven one eight Spring Boot Data JPA. Spring Boot Data JPA association mapping. In-memory database, need of association mapping. Okay. Associations in Spring Data JPA. First, we try to work out why to keep the tables in relationship. Once we got the clarity on why to keep tables in relationship, then we will understand why to keep entity classes in relationship, right? Okay. Associations in Spring Data JPA. Relationships, association mapping or multiplicity in Spring Data JPA are what? Hibernate. Need of keeping DB tables in what? Association. Okay, let's see. Keeping multiple entities or items data in single DB table as records is having following problems. Number one, data redundancy problem, data duplication, and data management problem. Some inconsistent problems are there, right, guys? Okay, try to see this problem part. Customer phone details is the table. There, I'm maintaining phone numbers of multiple customers. But one customer can have one phone number or multiple phone numbers. But while writing multiple phone number of each customer data will be duplicated or not? The customer data will be definitely duplicated or not there. CNO, C name, C address, mobile number, provider type. Provider type. Check it out. 101 Raja Hyderabad, all nines, Airtel residence. 101 Raja Hyderabad, phone number, Vodafone office number. 102, two phone numbers are there. So each person is having two phone numbers, but in that process, that customer details are duplicated here or not there. The customer details are somehow seriously duplicated here or not there. Say something, my dear. Come on, everyone. So this is going to give data redundancy problem or not? This is definitely going to generate what problem, guys? Data redundancy problem. Okay. I hope everyone understood the problem, guys. First of all, I am trying to keep the discussion why to keep tables in relationship. First, we are trying to see why tables should be in relationship. Okay. Solution one. Okay. Keep customer data separately, phone number data separately. Okay. Customer data separately, phone number data separately, no relation here. What is the problem here? Data redundancy problem gone, but data navigation problem is created. Can I access phone number from customer? No. Can I access customer from phone number? No. Because there is no link between both the tables, right? Is there any link between both the tables, guys? Not there. So that's why this is going to give us what? Data navigation problem. What problem? Now data redundancy problem is gone, but data management or navigation problem is created. That means we cannot access phone number details from customer table records and vice versa. Vice versa means what, guys? Reverse. Reverse true. Reverse is going to happen or not going to happen? Okay, solution two. Take two tables to maintain what? Multiple entities info and keep them in what? Relationship. Keep them in what? Relationship. Are you getting my point there, guys? So by taking the support of which one? Foreign key column, we have to keep them in relationship. By simply taking the support of what, guys? Foreign key column, we have to keep them in relationship. Check it out. Customer information, phone number information. But observe very carefully. Foreign key column is there in child table or not there? Having customer IDs 101, 101, 102, 102 is there or not there, guys? There or not there, my dear? Definitely there. No second thought in that, right, my dear? Understood my statement, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? Okay. First of all, tell me. First of all, tell me. Okay, customer, how many records are there? Customer, two records. Here, phone number, four records. Are you getting my point there? Customer, how many records are there, guys? Phone number. Phone number. Okay, four records. Yeah, let's see. What are the advantages of this? No data redundancy problem. Is there any data redundancy problem, guys? Next, no data navigation problem. Because of foreign key, I can access phone numbers from customers from phone number. Sir, foreign key is only at a child table, na? No problem. Though foreign key is there in one table, parent can use to access child can use to access parents. It's possible or not possible, I guess. So that means, do you understand the need of keeping tables in relationship? Okay, now listen. Sir, whenever you keep tables in relationship, why you take foreign key column in the child table? Why not in parent table? If you take in parent table, again data duplication problem will start. Check it out. Suppose same foreign key column I kept in parent table. So I have to write these 1, 2, 3, 4 na. How many times I should write? 4 times. To write 4 times, first customer information should be repeated or not. So again, data duplication problem is coming or not. So it's always good practice to keep foreign key column in child table or parent table. Any relationship, child table is good. And moreover, you keep in child table, okay, but still we can go for what? Parent to child to parent access. We can still go for what? Parent to child to access. It is always good practice to keep foreign key column in the child table for better association between parent and child DB table. This also avoids what? Data redundancy problem. What problem, guys? This definitely avoids what problem, guys? Data redundant. Using single FK column that is placed generally in child table, we can access parent table records from what? Child table. And child table records from what? Parent table. So bidirectional access is possible or not there? Two recommendations. Number one, when you want to keep tables in relationship, better to keep foreign key column in child table, na boss? Number one point. What is number 2 point, guys? Though single, one foreign key is there in child table that can be used to access child from parent, parent from child. Bidirectional access is possible or not possible, guys? Okay, guys. So keeping tables in relationship is having advantage or not there. Number one advantage, no data redundancy problem and no data navigation problem. From parent I can access child, from childs I can access parent. Both advantages we are having here are not. Both benefits we are having here are not there. Okay, now I am bringing into the picture. When tables are in relationship, for one table we take one entity class. And right now, how many tables are there? Two tables. When two tables means two entity classes we will take now, boss. But can we keep tables in relationship through foreign key kind? Sorry. Can we keep entity classes in relationship using foreign key column? In Java programming, is there any concept called foreign key column, guys? In Java language, is there any terminology called foreign key column, my dear? But I want to keep classes in what? Entity class in relationship, right? So classes will be in relationship in Java style. How? Set of child class. Come on, guys. Customer class is having set of phone number, some property name. But it should be pointing to tables in relationship. Are you getting my point there? Yeah. Classes are in relationship in Java style. Tables are in relationship through foreign key column. But still I want to map what? Classes of relationship with the tables of relationship. Whenever I work with classes, they should reflect in the tables. So for that one, definitely some advanced OR mapping is required or not required. Definitely some advanced OR mapping is required or not required. Definitely some advanced OR mapping is required. And that is nothing but association mapping. What is that, guys? That is seriously nothing but what, guys? Association mapping. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Are you getting my point here or not there? Super, guys. Tell me. If tables are in relationship, what, guys? If tables are in relationship, then the associated entity classes should also be taken having what? Relationship. But we keep DB tables in relationship using what? FK column. Whereas we keep entity class in relationship using what? Composition and collections. That means the way DB tables are in relationship is different from the way entity classes are in what? Relationship. To avoid this mismatch, use what? Advanced OR mapping called what? Association mapping. Entity classes are relationship because of special properties. Tables are in relationship because of foreign key. But still I want to map them. So basic OR mapping is not sufficient. We have to go for what? Advanced OR map. Spring Data JPA ORM framework support how many association? 4. One to one to many to one, many to many. Yeah, try to understand. Student and rank info. One student will have only one rank. One rank belongs to only one student. What's the relationship? One to one. User and phone number. One user can have multiple phone number, but every phone number belongs to only one user. One to many. From user prospect to one to many. From phone number prospect to many to one. Department and employee. One department contains multiple employees. Multiple employees belongs to one department. That is what? One to many. Student and what? Course. Yeah. One student will have what? One student will attend what? Multiple courses. Each course will have multiple student. One too many from parent, one too many from child. If you mix, it is become many too. One too many from parent, one too many from child. If you mix that, it will become what? Okay, guys. Student and course. What is there? Many to many. One student will have what? One student belongs to many student and course. Tell me. One student will attend multiple courses. Multiple courses will have what? This one. One too many from parent, one too many from child. If you mix up, it becomes what? Many too many. Faculty and student, guys. What is there? Faculty and student. One faculty will have many student. Each student can learn from many faculty. That's why many to one are not. Driving license and citizen. Every license belongs to one citizen. One citizen will have only one driving, one to one. Passport and citizen. Every passport belongs to one citizen. One citizen will have only one passport. Like this number of things we have seen are not there. Customer phone number. From customer point of view, one to many. From phone number point of view, many to one. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Yeah, what are the annotations we have to build this association, guys? One to one, at the rate one to many to one, many to many. And to specify foreign key column, at the rate join column. While working with many to many association, we need to entertain third table, guys. To specify that third table, join table. In collection mapping also, we have used this join table. Come on, remember that? Okay. Okay, now listen carefully. This association mapping can be implemented in how many ways? Two ways. As unidirectional association or what? Bidirectional. Unidirectional means we can access parent to child or child to parent. Both at a time not possible. We can access parent to child or child to parent. But both at a time not possible. Are you getting my point there or not there? Give me 1 minute, guys. Yeah. Using reference. Yeah, unidirectional. Either parent can access child, from child we can access parent, one at a time, not both. Bidirectional. From parent we can access child, from child we can access parent. Both are possible. Are you getting my point there, guys? To keep DB tables either in what? Uni or bidirectional association, we just need to take what? Foreign key column only in child table. But to keep entity class in unidirectional association, take special property only in one entity class. And for bidirectional association, take special properties in what? Both parent and child classes. So that means single foreign key column can be used for unidirectional, can be used for bidirectional within the tables. But when it comes to entity classes, for unidirectional, only one special property in either parent or child. Come on. For bidirectional, you should keep special properties in what? Both parent and child classes. What do you say, guys? Understanding my statement or not there? Association in ORM frameworks or Spring Data JPA can be built in what? Entity classes in how many ways, guys? Two ways. Using reference type properties in composition, one to one or many to one. Using collection type properties in composition, using one to many and what? Many to many. Are you getting my point there, guys? Here one to one or many to one. Here what? One to many or what? Many to. Okay, now listen. Student rank, unidirectional. Student will have rank class property, bidirectional. Rank class also will have student type property. Is there any type of collection support there? In student, you take rank class. In rank, you take student one. In one to one, many to one, is there any need of collection type properties, guys? Many to one. Forget about one to many. Many to one. Many phone number belongs to single user. In every object of phone number, only single object of user should be there or not. For that one, normal reference type properties is enough or not there. Normal has a property is sufficient or not there. You visualize student rank bidirectional. In student class, rank. In rank class, student stud. Over, na? So is there any need of collection type properties there? No. But look at collection type properties in composition. Collection type has a property. One to many. Customer is having multiple phone numbers. Private set phone number phones. Private set phone number phones. What happens, guys? It is going to have multiple phone number objects or not there. It is going to have multiple phone number objects or not there. That is one to many. What is there, guys? That is one to. Okay. Many to many. Doctor, patient. One doctor will have multiple patient. One patient will have multiple doctor. Doctor side collection of patient. Patient side collection of doctor. Set of doctor, set of patient. So both side we need what? Collection type properties are not there. Try to visualize. Try to visualize. To build association between entity classes, either you have to take as a properties or collection of as a properties. In one to one, many to one, has a properties are sufficient. Student one side, rank one side. In student class, rank. In rank class, student stud. Are you getting my point, my dear? Using collection type properties in what? Composition. Okay. In one to many, customer is having multiple phone numbers. Set of phone number I have to take in customer class. Many to many also combination of one to many both side. There also set type property we have to take it or not there. Super. We can keep DB tables in what? Unidirectional or bidirectional association by using single FK column or not there. But in Java, no FK column is available. So to keep entity class in association, we need to use what? Composition either with collection or non-collection type properties. For unidirectional one side, for bidirectional both side, which is required or not required. For unidirectional one side, for bidirectional both side, we have to keep it or not there. Once again, try to analyze, guys. Try to analyze and visualize. Try to analyze, visualize. To build association between two entity classes, if the association is one to one or many to one, simple as a properties are sufficient. Student rank, let it be bidirectional. Student should have a rank property. Rank should have a student property. Simple as a property is sufficient or not. Phone number, customer. Forget about customer side. Phone number. Each phone number should belongs to one customer or multiple customer. One customer cost is sufficient or not there. Okay. One to many. Customer phone number. In customer class, set of phone number I have to take or not there. Super. Okay, many to many. Doctor, patient. In doctor class, I have to take set of. In doctor class, I have to take what? Set of patient. In patient class, I have to take set of doctor. What do you say, guys? One to many bidirectional association, many to one bidirectional association. So now first my example, I want to build one to many from parent perspective, many to one from child perspective. Bidirectional means what? From parent I should access child, from child I want to access parent. So bidirectional means what? Parent class should have a special property to hold set of child object. Child class should have a special property to hold bunch of parent. Yes or no, na boss? The bidirectional association means we can access parent object from child objects and vice versa. To build one-to-many bidirectional association, parent class should have what? Special property of type collection to hold what? Bunch of child objects. Similarly, child class should have special property of type what? Parent class to hold what? One parent class object. To hold what? One parent class objects. One to many association is from parent to child, whereas from child to child, it is from child to parent, it is many to one association are not there. Person and phone number relationship is one to many relationship from person perspective because one person can have multiple phone numbers. The same is many to one relationship from where? From member perspective because multiple phones can belongs to what? Single person. Multiple phones can belongs to what? Single person. Are you getting my point here, guys? Understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Okay. One to one person, parent to child table. Come on. PID, P name, P address. PID, P name, P address. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. One Raja Hyderabad, two Suresh Vizag. Here, multiple phone numbers. They are linked with what? Each phone number is linked with a person or not? Each phone number is linked with a person or not there? Okay, fine. Right. So now, yeah, we already discussed it, guys. What is this concept, guys? We don't take primary key column manual values. We have to see them automatically generated either by application or what? Database software. Don't prefer natural key columns as what? Primary key column. Always prefer what? Surrogate key columns as primary key columns. I hope you discussed these points or not there. Fine. So what we do is we try to design this application, guys. What is the application? One to many bidirectional association. This is from parent perspective. Child perspective also we have to design or not. Okay, that's good. Everyone please focus. File, where is this? Spring Starter project. Okay. Spring Data JPA, project number how much? 15. Okay, what is their association mapping? Association mapping, one to many. Me when jar 21, NIT, all this stuff. Say next. Lambda KPI, MySQL driver, Oracle driver, Spring Data JPA. I'm keeping application ready to work with both the database. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Yeah, this is there. And here I want to talk with the database software. For that one, some entries are required in application.properties file. Copy these guys, go to this place, paste. Yeah, fine. Okay, what is the project number, guys? 1450. Okay, association mapping. MySQL, what's the database? DB, root, true. Lazy loading also there. Everything is there. Yeah, am I going to create the table or they will be generated automatically? Yeah, that is a basic feature, na? Dynamic schema generation feature is there. Yeah, come here. Let's create the packages first. New package. Yeah, tell to all your friends Dasara vacation is completed. Diwali is on the way to come. Ask them to come back to classes and attend the classes. Okay. Diwali is on 21st or 20? It's confirmed. Huh? Okay, good. Com dot nt dot, what is there? Entity. Com dot nt dot entity. Okay, that's good. New. What's there, guys? Package. Com dot nt dot service. Com dot nt dot service. New package. Com dot nt dot repository. Com dot nt dot repository. New package. Tell me. Com dot nt dot runners. Com dot nt dot runners. I think these are enough for as of now. Okay. Yeah, first we'll try to design the entity classes. What's the example I want to take? I'm bored with this customer and phone numbers. Yeah, shall we take department and employee? One department can have multiple employees, but every employee belongs to only one department. From department perspective, it is what? One to many. From employee perspective, many to one. Many employees belongs to one department. From department perspective, one to many. From employee perspective, many to one. Right click, new. Where is this? Class. I'm taking first department. I'm taking here department. Next, new class. What is there? Employee. New class employee. That's good. One is a department, other one is what? Employee. One is a department, other one is what? Employee. Okay, that's good, guys. Now tell me, what is the story that we have to worry about it? Here is department.java. Yeah. Private integer DNO, DID, department ID, name, department name. Okay, location. These are the three simple properties. Integer size, some size. Size is not important. Fine. Okay, let it be, guys. Private, one department will have multiple employees. Okay, can I take set employees, EMPs? That is going to be special property or not there? Yeah, why set? No, you can take a list and map also. Yeah, but duplicate employees should be avoided means set is better, na? In one department, duplicate employees will be there or will not be there? Will not be there. When not there, it's better to take set kind of. Yeah. Tell me, boss. Where is this? At the rate entity. At the rate entity. At the rate table. Name is equal to, yeah, department. At the rate table, name is equal to depart. 1 minute, I'll go for on this. O to M. O to M underscore DEPT. OTM underscore DEPT. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. At the rate entity, at the rate this. Okay, that's good. Did I add Lamba KPI? Yeah. When you not added Lamba KPI, boss. Added na. Okay. Now listen. When you keep tables in relationship, guys. Okay. Don't use at the rate data annotation. Generate setter method and getter method separately. Why, sir? At the rate getter, at the rate setter. This also gives a two-string method, and two-string method also includes employees property. No, when I decided to print parent data, I want to print only this data. Come on. I don't want to print this. If I use at the rate data, two-string also comes now, boss. And that two-string also includes employees now, boss. When I say parent, I want to print only parent property, not the child property. When I say child, I want to print only child property, not the associated parent property. I want to generate two-string manually. But at the same time, I need getter setter method. If I go for at the rate data, it also gives two-string method. Come on, including this EMPS. That's why what I'm doing. I'm going for only getter setter. Come on, guys. And I'm going to generate a two-string method manual. Alt plus shift plus yes comma yes. Alt plus shift plus yes comma yes. This is what we are looking at, right, boss? Come on. Yeah, tell me. At the rate entity. Alt plus shift plus yes. Yes comma yes. Remove this. Generate. Cut this, paste it. Cut this, paste it. Okay, see, it is not covering EMPS. It is covering only this. Is that clear, boss? Okay, but that's if I use at the rate data, two string comes automatically including this. I don't want to use that. That's why I have taken two strings separately or not. Parent means only parent data should be displayed, not the associated child. Child means only child data should be displayed. Especially in association mapping, don't use at the rate data, go for getter setter method separate. Reason number one is this. Reason number two is if you go for at the rate data, it will override at the rate hash code method also. And that hash code method is giving some problem. So I don't want to override an hash code. I want to use what? Object class hash code only, default hash code only. That's another reason why you should not keep at the rate data when you're keeping entity classes in relationship. You are taking individual entity classes, no tension. When you take entity class in relationship, this is suggestion I give. Okay. So now come here. Department ID I want to generate from the number one. Okay. At the rate ID, at the rate sequence generator, name is equal to gen1. Name is equal to gen1. Tell me. Initial value 1. Allocation size 1. Initial value 1. Allocation size 1. Okay. That's it. Name of the sequence. Sequence name. did underscore sequence. At the rate generated value. Generator is equal to gen1. Strategy is equal to sequence. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, what is this? Length is equal to 30. That's fine. At the rate column, length is equal to. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. Fine. Now I have to build this association now, boss. Array, using this I can build many to one, many to many and one to many. Array, this kind of property can build many to many and one to many, na? Now I have to give very much clarity. I am looking only for what? One to many? Yeah, that's why. Where is this? One to many. What is there, guys? One to many. Target entity is equal to employee dot class. What dot class, guys? Target entity is equal to employee dot class. Yeah, it has to hold what? Employee dot class. Yes, next one, this is very important. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. What does it mean, guys? Come on. Cascade type dot all. What do you mean by that? Any operation on parent object should also be cascaded to associated child. You save parent object, not only insert record in parent table. You take associated object, also insert them in what? Child. You updated parent object, not only update the parent record, you also update what? Associated child record. You deleted parent object, you also delete what? Associated child objects. Okay, check it out. What are the possible things? These many things are. You remove parent object, remove associated child. You reload parent object, reload associated child. You save parent object, save what? Associated child. You update parent object, you delete what? You update associated child object. You detach. That means you remove from sync. You also detach what? Associated child object. Instead of using these many things separately, better to use only one thing. All. This is the best value and super value. Got it, guys? Any persistence operation, especially non-select persistence operation, insert, update, delete on parent object will be cascaded to associated child object. Are stock market share values are cascading effect or not there? Somewhere more rains, some price will go down, that will reflect to other prices are not there. Cascading, that means it will propagate to other places. Any non-select persistence operation performed on parent object should be reflected toward associated child object. That's the meaning of this cascading or not? That's the real meaning of this cascading or not there, guys? At the rate one too many. That's good. Now tell me. While doing this, guys, at the rate join column. What column, guys? At the rate join column. Name of the column. What is the foreign key column that you want to use to build this association? You saved parent object, also save associated child objects in child table, parent object in parent table. But they should be linked now, boss. And that link information you are going to mention through join column annotation. Nothing but foreign key column information you are going to specify here or not. Foreign key column information you are going to specify or not. At the rate join column, come on. At the rate join column, have a look on this. At the rate join column, name. Name is equal to, what is there? EMP underscore ID. That is my foreign key column. Tell me. Referenced column name. What is there? Referenced column name. Okay. Array in child table, what is the foreign key column name? Employee ID. It should point to EID column or not there. Array child table, it should point to in employee. 1 minute. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. Okay. DEPT ID. That's the foreign key column. Come on. And it should point to DID or not there. In employee table, because foreign key column always created in child table. With what name it should be created? DAPA ID. It should point to which column of which column value? Primary key column. What's the primary key column value here? DID. Yes, we are happening or not there. So whenever parent table, parent object is saved, parent records are inserted in parent table, associated child records are inserted in child table, but link will come for both records. Where? Link will come in what? Both records. Link will come in what? Both records. Where, guys? In child table. The link will come in what? Both records. In child table. What with what name foreign key column is created? Department ID. Come on. Department ID. And having what? DID column value it is created or not there? Simply literally having DID column value it is created or not created? Say something, my dear. I want reply, my dear. Come on. At the rate join column, department ID, referenced column name DID. Is that clear, my dear? I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. I hope you understood. This says, in this collection, employee class object should be saved. Cascade type all means what, guys? Come on. Cascade type all means what? Any non-select persistence operation performed on parent objects should also be reflected in associated child object. You saved parent objects, insert parent records in parent table, associated records in child table. But because of this join column, those child records will be linked with parent record by adding values in what? Foreign key column that is created with what name, guys? Department ID. What name, guys? Department. Convinced or not, guys? Okay, that's good. See, how to get the link between parent and child records. You will get that link with this or using this one or not there. Super. Okay, now tell me next one. Employee.java. What dot Java, guys? Employee dot. Yeah, tell me. At the rate entity. At the rate table. Name is equal to O2M underscore. What is there? Employee. O2M underscore employee. No. I'm just maintaining same rhythm. Okay. 1 to M. Yeah, from child many to 1, but basically 1 to M only. No? Employee. Okay. Fine. At the rate setter. At the rate getter. Super, guys. Tell me. Private integer. What is there? EID. Private string E name. Private float salary. Private string designation. Private string designation. Tell me here, where is this? @ID. Next. @column. Name is equal to, what is the equal to? EID. Tell me. Referenced column. What column, guys? Okay. Nah, there is no need of mentioning, guys. Leave it. No need of mentioning. Okay. Tell me. Sequence generator. Name is equal to gen1. Sequence name. EID underscore sequence. Initial value 100. Allocation size 1. Allocation size 1. Come on, next one. At the rate generated value. What value, guys? At the rate generated value. Generator is equal to gen1. Generator is equal to gen1. Next one. Strategy is equal to, what is that? Strategy is equal to sequence. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, tell me, length is equal to 30. But we need to take a special property here, na boss. Yeah, this is the child. Many to one. Many child should point to one parent. One parent means, should I take collection type or non-collection type? Non-collection type. Can I take department EPT, guys? Private department DEPT. Okay. Now tell me, guys. This is to build one-to-many association, guys. For building, what is there? One-to-many association. This is for building one-to-many association. Here is what, guys? For building, tell me. Many to one association. This is for building, guys. Many to one association. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on, everyone. Understanding my statement, guys. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Tell me, guys. What is the story here, guys? At the rate. What is there? At the rate. What is there? Many to one. At the rate, many to one. Tell me. At the rate, many to one. Target entity, department class. Department dot class. Tell me, next one. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Same story. Here also, what is there? Join column. No separate foreign key column. Same foreign key column both side, right? Name is equal to, what is there? EMP underscore ID. Next one. A referenced column name. What column name? EID. A referenced column name. Yeah, sorry, boss. It's my mistake. DEPT ID, DID. Same. Foreign key column 2 are not required. Same foreign key column for both associations, right? Okay, that's good. Yeah, super, guys. Now listen. Here, when I'm printing child data, only child data should come, not associated parent data. Come on, guys. Two-string method. Alt plus shift plus S comma S. Alt plus shift plus S comma S. Remove this DEPT, click on generate. We are getting this generate there or not there? We are clicking this generate there or not there? Okay. Now tell me guys, any complexity to understand this entity classes designing? Though tables are in relationship, okay, through foreign key, but somehow we are linking with entity classes of relationship through special properties or not. For that one, basic OR mapping is not sufficient. We are using association mapping by using the support of at the rate one to many annotation, join key column annotation, right, boss? Okay, once again, everyone thoroughly look at this. This is the special property. Why collection type here? Each department can have multiple employees. What guys? Multiple employees. That's why what I have taken, set employee EM. Observe, other day while teaching collection mapping, it can be implemented in two ways. Collection with simple values, collection with entity classes, right? Values collection, what is that? Two different words I used, boss. Values collection and entity collection, right? Other day, what I have given is values collection. Today, what I am giving is what? Entity collection. So, entity collection is very useful in association mapping, right? Okay. Why I have taken set? Note, I don't want to allow duplicate. That's why set. Okay. But using this set collection, I can build many to many, one to many. But right now, I want what? One to many. That's why one to many association is used. One to many annotation is used. Right, boss? One to many annotation is used. What do you say, guys? Come on. One to many annotation is used. Okay, but now what I want to tell, whenever I want to tell to Hibernate or Spring Data JPA, whenever any persistence operation happened on parent object, it should be reflected automatically to associated child objects or not. That's a cascade type always taken. But fine. But to build the association, I have to tell what is the foreign key column and which value you should hold it. That's why I'm mentioning foreign key column and it should get value from which primary key column. That also I clearly mentioned are not there. Okay, look at the employee class. This is many to one. Many to one means what? Many objects of child will point to one parent. One parent means collection type or non-collection type. Yeah, using this non-collection type property, I can build one to one, many to one. But I have to clearly mention I am looking for what? Many to one. That's why I have taken what, guys? Many to one. Here also I am telling anything happened on child object should also happen on associated parent object or not there. So there also I mentioned foreign key column name or not there. That's good. Save this. It's clearly saved or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. Tell me next one. Yeah. Two entity classes means I need to develop what, guys? Two repository interfaces are not there. New, where is this? Interface. New interface. Tell me. I, I department repository. Add JPA repository. Finish. Yeah, here is what, guys? Depart. Here is what? Inties. Okay, that's good. Next, right click. New, where is this? Interface. I employee repository. Add JPA repository. Finish. Yeah, tell me here what is there? Employee. What is there? Employee and int is. That's really great or not there? That's good. I employee repository. This is done. Okay. Now service. New interface. New interface. Tell me. Okay. Department employees means there is one organization now, boss. Okay. Department management service. Department management service. That's great. Public string. Tell me. Save department and its employees. Employees. So I'm trying to save parent to child. Okay. Now listen. Save department and its employee. I'll pass department object only. I'll simply pass what? Department object only. But that will have list of employee objects. Parent to child save, I'm trying to. Okay, fine. So now let me develop the implementation class, guys. Oh, madam, we write in interface class. Wait. She got excited. Where we should write annotation, service on the top of the class or on the top of the interface? Huh? Repository layer we should write. What happening, madam? No need of writing on the top of repository interface. No need of writing on the top of interface. We should write on the top of service class. Did we develop the class? You are a bit excited. I don't know why. Okay. Let me, no, it happens sometimes. It happens sometimes. Okay. Class. What is there? Department. Management. Service IMPL. Department Management Service IMPL. You are asking me to keep on the interface itself. There is no need, na. You have to keep on the class generally. Implements, tell me. I Department Management. Okay. So we have to implement this method na, boss. Okay, that's good. Here we write, madam, at the rate service, DPT service. Okay. We have to inject how many interfaces, guys? Two. Okay, two repository object because I may use anything, right? I department repository, DPT repo, at the rate auto. Next, what is there? Private, tell me. I employee repository. What is there? EMP repo. Tell me. At the rate auto. Definitely at the rate auto wide or not there. That's good. And definitely at the rate auto wide. Followed by that, what is the story, my dear? Followed by this, what is the story that we have to follow? Yeah, DEPT repo and what? Employee repo. DEPT repo or what? Employee. Public class department management service IMPL implements what? I department management service. DEPT service, DEPT repo, employee repo. Okay, that's good. Yeah, tell me. Int ID val is equal to, what is equal to? Okay, oh fine. Int ID val is equal to is equal to DEPT repo dot save. Save DEPT. Actually, dot get DID. Here I am writing the message. DEPT and its employees are saved with the ID value plus ID. With the ID value plus ID value. Are we getting my point, my dear? Come on. Are saved with the ID value plus ID. Fine. That's great news, guys. At the rate auto-wide DEPT repo, at the rate auto-wide employee repo. Okay. DEPT repo dot save DEPT dot get DID. Saved. Okay. Now we have to go for runner story or not there. Here is my runner story. New, what is there? Class. New, what is there, guys? Class. Tell me, what is the story we have to follow? What is the story we have to follow, guys? The story that we have to follow here is, wait a minute. One too many association test runner. One too many association test runner. What is there? Command line runner. Command line runner. Yeah. First of all, I have to say at the rate comp. See, I'm saving only parent object, but when I give associated child object, parent records will be saved in parent table, child records will be saved in child table. Link will come by updating foreign key column automatic. But let me simplify this by generating some parameterized construct. No arg constructor, that's the one thing. Required arg constructor, that's another thing. At the rate non-null, that's the one thing, guys. Tell me next one. Copy this. At the rate non-null, that's the another. Next, employee. At the rate no arg constructor. At the rate required arg constructor. Come on. Yeah, tell me. At the rate non-null. Oh, okay. Come on. Tell me. At the rate non-null. Come on. At the rate non-null. Okay, I'm just generating some beautiful parameterized constructors. Fine. Tell me here, what is the story to worry about? Yeah, save the objects. Save the objects. What is there? Parent to child. Save the object parent to child. Okay. Tell me here, what is the story to follow? Yeah, first we have to create parent and childs, na? That too one too many. Department DEPT is equal to new department of name, accounts, location, Hyderabad. That is taken, right? Okay. Employee, what is there? EMP1 is equal to new employee of Raja. Salary is what? 8,000. Designation is clerk. F 8,000 or 80,000. What is link table will generate separately? Yes, it will be generated. Everything will be generated, guys. Employee 2. What is there, guys? Ramesh. 90,000. Okay, clerk. Fine. Link childs with parent. EMP1 dot set department DEPT. EMP2 dot set department DEPT. We linked. Okay. Link childs to parent. Link childs to parent. DEPT dot set EMP set dot off. What dot off, guys? Set dot off. EMP1 comma EMP2. EMP1 comma EMP2. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Okay. EMP1 comma EMP2. DEPT dot set EMP set dot off EMP1 comma EMP2. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Is that clear, my dear? Everyone getting my point there, guys? Okay. That's fine. I think we are setting parent to child. We are setting both bidirectional, na? Okay. Okay. Now invoke the method. What is there, guys? Invoke the method. Here is what? Try. String message is equal to string message is equal to first we have to inject, na boss. I department management service at the rate auto service dot save department and its what? Employees DEPT. System dot out dot println MS. Catch exception E. Catch exception E. E dot print stack trace. Catch exception E dot what? Print stack. DEPT employee 1, employee 2, employee 1 set, DEPT set, try, catch, all this stuff. Okay, guys. Now we are ready with all this stuff. I am giving what object, guys? Parent object. But that parent object is having what? Associated chain. Though I called save method on parent object, it will save data in parent object and also in what? Associated chain. Let's check. Okay, right now it is pointing to MySQL, guys. Check once. In MySQL, nothing is ready, but two tables will be created. Foreign key will come. Everything happens nicely now, my dear. Cascade all. Cascade all. Right click. Run as. Okay, main class. I have to do in what? Main. right click, run as Java application. Yeah, first of all, it is creating parent and child table. Check it out. Create table, OTM department, OTM employee. Two tables are created. These are sequence related helper tables. Leave it. Now, inserting one record into department, two records into child na boss. Automatical updating foreign key column na my dear. Check it out. Actually, I have not done anything on child table. It's child object. But whenever I do operations in parent object, it is reflecting to associated child objects or no. So I hope you are feeling that cascading activity, my dear. What's your logical database? 718 tables. So there, O underscore, OTM underscore depart. Select rows. One record has come here. Two records with the foreign key column has come. This is foreign key column linked with the department number or not. It came nicely, my dear. That's a change number one. Okay, now I will show how important this cascade type, guys. I will write this, but without cascading, I will write. I will write this, I will write without cascading. Target entity employee dot class. What entity, guys? Target entity employee dot class. Right click, tell me, run as Java application. See, guys, failed na boss? It is happily failed or not there. Moreover, tell me, invalid data access usage, transient exception, persistence, instance, unsaved transient employee. Okay, save transient instance before what? Flush. Something incompleteness is there. Do you think your data is coming anywhere? No, not coming. Check it out. Department, any data came, guys? No. So that means definitely what? Cascade type all is required or not required? This is the one thing, guys. This is the one thing. Okay. Let me say with other data, boss. Let me say with other data. Okay. Accounts is there. IT department. Okay. Suresh. Nagesh. Manager. Programmer. Manager programmer. Right click. Run as Java application. Department, another department. What happened to two when two came? Exception has. That's why. Here, two more employees came, guys. It's coming or not? Cascade advantage you have to observe or not there? That's the one thing. Okay, one more thing. Listen carefully. In department, we are writing foreign key column name. Same foreign key column name you are writing in employee also. In bidirectional association, there is a provision of writing only for one time. Other side, you can mention where it is written. You can mention only for one side, but other side you can mention where it is written. That's very interesting or not there. Check it out. Yeah. Now listen. In one too many, you can mention it many side. What side, guys? Okay. Now listen. You was mentioned at many side. That means parent side. Okay. In child, what I'm going to mention is mapped by what is there? Oh, I think reverse. You mention it child side. Okay. You mention it what? Child side. Go to the parent, guys. Here you don't mention anything like this. Come on. Here you say mapped by. Mapped by. What is the property name in child class, guys? DEPT. Mapped by DEPT. Interesting or not? This is applicable only in bidirectional association. In bidirectional association, instead of mentioning same foreign key column information in parent class and child class, mention in one place and refer that property in other place. Arey ma'am, this information is there in what? Other property you collect from that. You need foreign key and column information that is already mapped by DEPT, collect from DEPT. Check it out. No change in the application, guys. Hmm. Okay, now what is other department? HR department. Uh, Karan, Suman. Karan and what? Suman. That's good. Here is there. Right click, guys. Run as Java. Karan and Suman. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. DEPT and its employees are saved with ID value how much? 4. Any change, guys? But what's the advantage? We need to mention only one side or not there. How many times, how many sides you have to mention, guys? Only one side we have to mention, not both sides, right? Not both side, only one side we have to mention. Are you getting my point, my dear? Okay, that's good, great. Required. So this is the whole mechanism that we have to focus, guys. Yeah. I think you got any complexity in association mapping? Interesting or boring? Yeah, the only interesting topic in entire Spring Data JPA is this. Because it's dealing with so in after joining in company every day you have to deal with association. TB tables in real time will not be individual tables. DB tables in real time with association. That's why I'm trying to spend more time on what? Association mapping. Today we have just seen parent to child object saving. And as part of that, I have shown important of cascade type all. Anything you do on parent object will reflect to associated child. If you take child object as main object, anything you do on child object will reflect to what? Associated parent. Today we have seen only parent to child save object operation. I'll show child to parent save object operation also, right? Like this, we'll see all persistence operation in association. Actually, I'm teaching, it's like one to many, but indirectly I'm covering many to one also. That's the beauty of this example. One to many from parent, many to one from child. So we are covering both associations or not there. Fine, that's the one thing. In bidirectional association, no need of mentioning foreign key column twice. You mention one side, other side you can refer that property. In many to one, sorry, in one to many, you can mention at what side? Many side. You can refer in one side or not. That's what I did now, boss. I mentioned on the top of employee class. In department class, I referred that property name or not. Getting my point there, guys. This cannot be done in unidirectional association. This should be done only in what? Bidirection association. Not possible in what? Unidirect. Possible only in what? Bidirect. Okay. This is Google Drive base. What's your batch code, guys? Huh? This one? This one? Okay. Spring Data JPA. Right click, file upload, Spring. Tell me. What is there? 718 Data JPA. Next one. Data JPA. Next one. Where is that? 16. Need of association. Need of association mapping. Is that clear, guys? Come on, everyone. Thank you. We will discuss more when we meet in what? Next class. All your friends, Dasra completed. Ask them to attend the